The relish, she ate the biscuit in a relish way, then sat down. After that, she sat down nearby the author, nearby him, and began nibbling at the grass and began to eat the grass. And now, a little later, and after some time, when I rose to go, when the writer get up to go, author get up to go, the goat also rose too. The goat rose too. The goat also got up, and when I started walking homewards, she followed me unsteadily, her thin angular legs taking her the way and that. When the author get up to go home, the goat also get up to go home behind him. The goat too rose, and when the author started walking towards the home, walking homewards, when he started to the go to the home, she also followed him. She also followed him unsteadily, regularly, and her thin like sticks lag taking her this way and that, and he was coming on his foot that was very thin. Go home, I said him, go home. She danced around me, but he didn't went to the home and dancing around him. But home apparently was on the other side of the riverbed, and she followed me to its bank. But home may be possible. It was her, this baby goat's home was far from here and was on the other side of the riverbed, and she followed the author to its bank. हो सकता है कि नदी के उस पार उसका घर हो और वो उसे फॉलो करती हुई उसके रिवर बैंक को फॉलो करती हुई यहाँ आ गई. It was obvious that her trembling legs would not stand up to the current. It was simple that her unsteady, very thick and thin leg, very thin and long leg was feeling tired and would not stand up to the current. So I took her in my arms and carried her across the stream. So the author took him in the arms, took him in his hand, and carried her across the river. When I sat her down, when the author made him sit down, hope she would now find her way home, and he is hoping that she would now find her way home, and in the hope she left her that she will find her home, कि वो अपना घर ढूंढ लेगी. She remained beside me and rubbing her warm body against my legs, but she didn't went to her home. The baby goat didn't went to her home, and she didn't try to search his own way. And when the author make the free her, she remained beside him. She was staying nearby the author and rubbing her warm body, and she was making her body warm and rubbing her against his legs. She was nearby his legs and rubbing his body, अपनी body को rub कर रही थी. I set out for home at a brisk pace, feeling sure that I would soon leave the youngsters behind. And I set out for home. मैं उसे घर छोड़ने आया था at a brisk pace पर, feeling sure, and I'm feeling sure that I would soon leave the youngster behind. And he was sure, the writer was sure, he will left it here, and this young baby goat, and he will left this young baby goat, he will left here, and I would soon leave this youngster behind. But the small thin legs, unsteady legs, were stronger than I had supposed, were very strong than I thought. मेरे सोचने से कई ज़्यादा strong थे. She came along at a hop, skip and jump. She came to me and skipped and jumped. She was jumping and skipping and right up to the gate of our house. And he was on the door of his house. There was nothing, वहाँ कुछ नहीं था. There was nothing I could do but carry in her gate and present her to grandfather. She was nearby him, and she just was making showing her delightness and happiness on the gate of their house. And she came along a hop, skip and jump, and she was in hope and skipping and enjoying द जंपिंग राइट अप टू द गेट ऑफ देयर हाउस, उनके गेट पर वो शी वॉज फीलिंग वेरी डिलाइटेड, बहुत खुशी महसूस कर रही थी. देयर वॉज नथिंग आई कुड डू बट कैरी हर इन द गेट एंड प्रेजेंट हर टू द ग्रैंडफादर. ही कांट डू एनीथिंग, वो कुछ नहीं कर सकता था. देयर वॉज नथिंग, वहाँ कोई नहीं था. आई कुड डू, मैं कुछ कर भी सकता था. बट कैरी हर इन द गेट, एट द गेट, मैं उसे गेट के अंदर लेकर आया. एंड प्रेजेंट हर टू द ग्रैंडफादर, और उसे ग्रैंडफादर को एज ए प्रेजेंट दिया. नो अनदर सन ग्रैंडमदर, ग्रैंडमदर कहती है नॉट नो वन, अब एक भी नहीं. When she saw the goat in the veranda, और जब उन्होंने गॉड को वरांडा में देखा, she cried, वो चिल्लाती है, lapping at a source of milk, no more animal, but lapping at a source of milk, but it can be a source of milk. I have told both of you again and again. I have told you many times, मैंने तुम्हें कई बार कहा है, that I will not tolerate another bird or animal in this house. The grandmother was become angry on the author and writer and the writer's grandfather also, and she told them straightforward that she can't bear more birds and animal in this house. And it was easy to understand, और ये it was very easy to understand the author. Thank you. Have a nice day.